exciting adventure. Hello and welcome to day 4 of my trip through Croatia. Today I'm still at Plitvice. My Croatian friends since told me it's pronounced Plitvice, so watch me pronounce it wrong for 2 whole clips. National Park. I'm gonna do another trail combined between 2 official trails. I guess I figured it out yesterday with someone from the information desk, so I'm not doing that like through my own inspiration. Yeah, they said it's like totally okay. Unfortunately, since you saw how the shortcut through to the entrance looks like, I'll have to take a taxi again. I'm gonna go to entrance 2 this time. It actually fits better with my plan for today. And then I'll be able to show you entrance 2 as well. Yeah, but first let's try to call for a cab, I guess. Waiting for the cab. Well, it's actually a shuttle. They have like these little vans with 9 places, which I guess it explains why they're so expensive. But the taxi for not desperate people that actually call instead of just picking up a taxi, it's a bit cheaper. Apparently it's just like 10 euros until to the entrance 2 and 15 euros to entrance 1. Yesterday I paid like 20 for the transfer from entrance 1 to here. So my advice at this point is to maybe like search for some numbers and always call, because it's easier than and cheaper obviously than to just get someone from the street. So I got the feeling that entrance 2 is a bit bigger than entrance 1. Also, you don't show your ticket like right here down. You have to walk a bit to get to the, I guess, admission person or something. Yeah, I also took a map. So yeah, let's go. That's the bus station. So it's definitely bigger. There's a whole complex here. There's also a hotel and a big restaurant. They have a market. Haven't reached the entrance yet. It's a bit weird. I think we're there. Still nobody checked my ticket yet. Here's the ticket control. So yesterday I did C, and now today I'm gonna combine H with K. So I'm here. I'm gonna go here like this, which I didn't see yesterday, so that's nice. Like that, I guess, until somewhere like here. And then from here they join. So now I'm gonna do K and come back to S2. If I have enough time, I'm gonna like do this trail too and then come back with the bus, but we'll see. I think we reached the K trail earlier than I expected, so from now on I'm just gonna follow K and it's gonna be fine. This tree went through a lot. Ooh, waterfall! So yeah, there was like a common segment. It was really short, and now I'm back on my H and K trail. I think I'm gonna go on a boat very soon, which means I'm almost 1/3 into my hike for the day, which also means that I'm in time. So I totally misread, no, not misread, misremembered the map. I'm actually almost at the place where I left, at entrance 2, which means I have at least 4 more hours. Oh, let me show you on the map. I somehow misremembered that like the trails, the H and K, that they split somewhere around here. So I thought I'm like 1/3 of the way, but actually they only split here. So I did all this, which is like half the way, in only 2 hours, which is like means I have more than enough time. So I'm here right now, yeah. So I can go like to S1 and then come back with the bus and still be in time. Since I have so much time left, I'm gonna try to rent a rowboat. 13 euros an hour. Yeah, let's do this. I'm on a rowboat. He wasn't very sure he should give it to me. He said it's windy and I might not be able to row. So let's prove him different. Today I read on my ticket that there's a possibility to row a boat, but I had no idea where from, and I was sure I don't have enough time to make it. Now I'm so happy I could do it. I think I'm literally the best advertising for this park. A lady from the boat waved at me, and the others were just staring. So I guess there's gonna be a few more that are gonna try to row a boat. Let's see. Maybe I got a bit loose. I don't know. Oh, this is extraordinary. See what I told you. Look how close we are. I'm so excited. Remember when I said that Plitvice is foolproof and you can't get lost? Well, hello, it's me, I'm the problem. I just made like a small 15 minutes detour because, yep, I mean I didn't get lost, I was on a trail, I just was on the wrong trail. Let me show you. So this is Trail K, which is my trail, and that one there is Trail B. Well, I didn't see this little path, so I just assumed that's Trail K and that's Trail B. Well, it's actually both Trail B. Just one is stairs and one is like a smooth walking path. And this here is the right trail for me, like Trail K. And yeah, I had to go to the station 2 following Trail B and ask someone, and then I had to go back and yep. So now I have like 1 more hour and then I'm just gonna wait for the bus, and that's it with Plitvice. I guess this is also the moment where I want to retract what I said yesterday, that I think 1 day is enough. Well, no, it's not. I'm glad I did 2 days in Plitvice because it's totally worth it. I saw different things today. I managed to get some awesome pictures, and obviously I got to row the boat. So yeah, come here for 2 days and row the boat. I think it's fascinating how some of the trees are telling a story. For example, this tree obviously fell. Its crown is in the water. And I love it how they preserve it. Obviously they cut the part that was blocking the trail. But other than that, they just leave nature like be and take its course. And I think that's really cool. So I have to brag a little bit. I asked the rowboat guy how much he thinks it's gonna take me to hike from station 2 to station 1, so that I know if I have enough time to like spend 1 hour on the boat. And he said like maybe 1.5 hours. Then later when I got lost and got to the entrance 2, I asked the lady there who pointed me to the right trail. I asked her, how long do you think it's gonna take? Because I wanted to make sure that I'm still in time. And she said maybe 45 minutes to 60 minutes, like that. So I managed to do it in like a bit less than 45 minutes. Okay, enough bragging. We are at station 1. I'm gonna take the train bus to station 2, go to the entrance, take my luggage, take some souvenirs, and go wait for the bus. Thank you for coming with me on this trip to Plitvice Lakes. It was wonderful. If you like this type of content, please subscribe to my channel, like, share, comment. It helps me a lot. This is the end of this vlog, but I still have to catch the bus to Zagreb. You're gonna see that in the next one, and until then, goodbye.